Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie with CoinCasso, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we discuss everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things happening in the crypto industry. In today's episode, stocks rally as Bitcoin trades above 9.3K for the first time in 10 days. The Shelly upgrade puts Cardano at its one-year high, and the digital Yuan will have a hard time displacing Tether in Asia. We also go over the current top cryptocurrency prices as well as a brief analysis on Bitcoin to see if we can predict the price in the future. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, July 7th. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate all the likes. You guys make everything worth it. And if you're new here and you like what you see in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tick the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. And no channel is complete without a sponsor, so this channel is sponsored by the CoinCasso cryptocurrency exchange. So if you're looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, check out CoinCasso in the link in the description below and sign up for a free account today. And if you're curious what makes CoinCasso different, it's a hybrid exchange that uses the benefits and ease of use of a centralized exchange while the security and safety of a decentralized exchange. So, hybrid. Let's jump into these prices. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $9,284.87, up 2.2% from yesterday. Ethereum doing very well, up 4.7% in the last 24 hours, $238.78. EOS up almost 6% at $2.57. Litecoin also doing very well, 5.2% at $43.84. And XRP 5.24%. 0.186852. And since Cardano is in the news today, Cardano's price is currently 0.107258, up 9.1% from yesterday. Now let's jump into TradingView, and I will do a little bit of my analysis and wizardry on Bitcoin to see if we can see where the price will go. Okay. I want you to not be a retail cryptocurrency investor. Do everything that everybody else does, because that's how you get burned in your crypto trading. If you've been following the charts whatsoever, this is the lowest price we hit on July 5th. Just below 9,000, this hourly candlestick wicked very, very low, but then the price subsequently shot back up, going all the way up above 9,300. Now you might be thinking, wow, this is so great. Bitcoin's finally starting to rally again, but you have to realize if you want to do any type of good technical analysis, you have to zoom out and see where the trend is going. Now I've zoomed this out to June 1st. I've drawn this beautiful trend line where you can see it's hit here, hit here, hit here, and now it currently hit a fourth time. This was above 10,000, 9,900, 9,600, and now 9,300. You do not have to be a professional analyst or any type of professional trader to see that this is in a downtrend. And if you watched my previous videos, I've been talking about this price going down even further to the $8,500 mark. But go back and watch the video, which I've linked right here. I said the price will go down to 8,500, but first it will test this channel. It is currently doing that, and if you look really, really closely, it is on a reversal pattern, meaning it's going to drop back down and rest right about here at about 8,500. This is where I will be getting back in, assuming the price will come back up, still playing in this descending channel. You can still make trades while a price is in the decline while catching an uptrend in the decline. I know that this is very risky and you should never bet against the trend, but there are always opportunities to be had when trading cryptocurrencies or any other currency. And just to put the nail in the coffin, as you can see here on the RSI, we are above the 70 level and coming down. So we should possibly, maybe, pretty sure, see a trend going down to the $8,500 level. I am not a financial advisor. Make all your own investments at your own risk. This is just some bald guy's opinion that watches charts day in and day out. If you want to learn, YouTube is full of free resources. You can buy books. You can do whatever you want to do to feel like you're making an educated decision, because you should never invest in anything without actually being 100% positive that that is the right move for you. If you hear it from Uncle Joe that Bitcoin's going up, do not listen to Uncle Joe. Do your own research. Cryptocurrency trading volume has seen a nice increase since we've been pretty much dead for the last week. Bitcoin 18.2 billion, Ethereum 9.1 billion, XRP 1.4 billion, and Litecoin 1.8 billion. And since Cardano's in the news, 366 million in volume, which I don't know why that is due for a 10% price increase in the last 24 hours. So let's get into the news. But first, an article on Bitcoin. As stocks rally, Bitcoin trades above 9.3K for the first time in 10 days. A rising tide in equities is lifting all boats, including in the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin is trading around 9,295 as of 8 p.m. UTC, gaining 2.7% over the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin currently above the 10 and 50-day moving averages, which is a very bullish signal for market technicians. Market participants are pointing to global stock markets as reasons for Bitcoin's rise in price, with the world's oldest cryptocurrency in a narrow range just above 9,000 since July 3rd. Indeed, stock indexes globally are flashing green. In Asia, the Nikkei 225 index of companies ended the day up 1.8%. Europe's FTSE 100 index up 1.5%, and the S&P 500 index gained 1.6%. No real actual information in this article. They're just saying that this happened. So congratulations. Let's pat ourselves on the back. The market's doing well. Every time I see articles like this, it's kind of frustrating because all they show is what I just showed you in the technical analysis, that last little spike up to get everybody ramped up on the price of Bitcoin, but they don't look at the history of what it's done, and we're on a decline. I mean, think about, like, even if you flush your toilet all the time, occasionally the water comes back up. It's still shitty. And on to our next article, Cardano 1-year high on Shelly upgrade. Cardano, also known as ADA, continues to skyrocket. The 8th largest cryptocurrency by market value jumped 2.1021 on Saturday to hit its highest price level since June 2019. It has rallied by a staggering 170% in the second quarter. At press time, ADA is trading near 0.098, representing a 200% year-to-date gain. Its Bitcoin-denominated price, ADA USD, also clocked a 1-year high of 1,120 satoshis. Cardano-specific factors look to have fueled the big price rally, given that Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency and an anchor for the crypto markets, has gained just over 30% so far this year. According to Daniel Ferraro, marketing director at blockchain intelligence firm Into the Block, ADA's impressive rally is a result of the excitement surrounding the Shelly upgrade, which would make Cardano 50 to 100 times more decentralized than other prominent blockchain networks. Further, it will introduce an incentive scheme or staking designed to reach equilibrium around 1,000 stake pools. Staking refers to the process of holding coins in a cryptocurrency wallet to support the operation on a blockchain in return for newly minted coins. It is similar to earning interest on a fixed income investment such as bonds. Sell the news? The Shelly upgrade will be another case of buy the rumor, sell the news. Mostafa Al-Mashita, vice president of digital liquidity from Secure Digital Markets, said in June, "Buy the rumor, sell the news," refers to a situation where the price of an asset rallies in the days and months leading up to the highly anticipated positive event and drops on profit-taking after the event has happened. ADA has carved out impressive gains over the past few months and may remain better bid ahead of the July 29th mainnet launch. Were investors to sell the news, the cryptocurrency may face some downside pressure in August. It's exactly what happened to Bitcoin price leading up to the halving. We saw this huge price increase because everybody was talking about it, good PR, everybody's like bullish on Bitcoin, and then just before the halving, not even waiting until the actual event, just before the halving, we hit over 10,000 and down. Typical pump and dump. I mean, what can I say? People got to make money somehow, right? And on to the last article of the day, titled "Digital Yuan Will Have a Hard Time Displacing Tether in Asia." China's central bank digital currency wants to displace the US dollar, but Genesis Block's Charlie Yang believes it doesn't offer a compelling alternative to USDT. China's central bank digital currency is usually identified as a way to challenge the dominance of the US dollar, not Bitcoin, but it may struggle to find opposition in niches where crypto versions of the dollar thrive, primarily Tether or USDT. At the Unitize panel on Monday, Charles Yang from Genesis Block explained why the DCEP, commonly referred to as digital yuan, is not particularly attractive as a crypto replacement. Yang identified two key drivers on crypto adoption, specifically in Asia. The first is speculation. Nothing that traders from countries such as Korea and China have a bigger tendency to take risks. But beyond that, crypto's borderless nature is especially useful for Asia traders. He states that any country that has these capital constraints, Korea is a big one, China's obviously another major one, where people can't just go to regular banking channels and send money to a different country. This is a major use case of crypto right now. From that perspective, a centralized and bank-issued digital currency may not be a good replacement to USDT, as Yang believes that the rules for capital control will not change. This is why we have cryptocurrency. Seriously. So if you want to transfer money across borders, it's very, very difficult because you either have to do Western Union or some sort of bank transfer. There's fees involved. You have to verify you're not a terrorist. And there's this week-long waiting period. And then you have to order the currency because the bank definitely doesn't have that amount or whatever that you're transferring. It's a pain in the butt. But if somebody has a USDT wallet and I have crypto and I just swap it for USDT and then immediately send it to them, to their USDT wallet, boom, they have it. Nobody knows about that transaction. I don't get feed on that transaction. The only amount that you pay for that transaction is the amount that's charged by the system to process the computing power behind it. So if these Asian countries are restricting transfers from different countries to different countries, what's a digital version of their actual currency going to make a big difference? You have to still be able to transfer money. And if they have restrictions on that, there's no point in even having it. All these governments are in a huge race to get a centralized bank digital currency. However, they're missing one key factor. We as people in the cryptocurrency space want to transact our cryptocurrencies easily, quickly, and without restriction and decentralized, which is in direct contradiction of a central bank digital currency. Centralized, control. We don't want control over our currency. And if you don't want control over your currency, make sure you smash that like button on your way out, and we will see you back here tomorrow.